Welcome to Engineering Junior with Strawbees 1, where kids embark on a journey of creative building and discovery. As part of our STEM Without Screens initiative, this course features 3 engaging focus areas: the world around me, tools and transportation, and the big wide world, designed to spark creativity and problem solving through playful, screen-free activities. Students learn by building, testing, and exploring, blending engineering concepts with imaginative, hands-on experiences. In the world around me, students build models using Strawbees kits, learning fundamental engineering and design principles while bringing their ideas to life. In tools and transportation, students explore everyday tools and their functions, gaining practical knowledge about mechanics while creating and testing transportation models. In the big wide world, students discover different cultures and environmental concepts, fostering global awareness and a sense of ecological responsibility through interactive activities. Engineering Junior with Strawbees 1 enhances creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills while making learning fun and interactive. Enroll now to ignite your students' imagination and innovative spirit.